We'll explain what's going to be the difference between if you're charged with a felony versus a misdemeanor crime.
Well, we have in the state of Alabama divided up into two different ways. We've got the felonies, which are what we consider the more serious crimes, and the misdemeanors and violations. When you're charged with a misdemeanor, then you are generally going to wind up in either the city court or the district courts of the state, at which point it becomes an interesting question as to whether or not you'll have an attorney appointed to you or you should have an attorney. Now, as far as ever needing an attorney, I will tell all my clients the same thing. No, you do not have to have an attorney. However, I do know people who have taken out their own appendix without a doctor. I do not recommend either action. The attorney has gone to school. He knows what the rules are. You do, in my opinion, without being self-serving, you are at a disadvantage if you do not have an attorney with you. As far as whether you will get an attorney or not, well, that depends on the nature of the crime. If the state is not looking for any jail time, if there's not what we call a liberty interest at the heart of this, then no, you will not necessarily be appointed an attorney. We move on there to the felony cases. Now, the felony cases come down by indictment. Those are the ones that have to go to the grand jury. At that point, you are looking at some serious jail time. The minimum is a year and a day, and it goes all the way up to life without the possibility of parole, and in a capital case, even a death penalty. I would never suggest anybody walk into any of those without an attorney, one way or the other.